lots of birds of prey up in the mountains throughout the day. I take my lunch and they take theirs. I must admit, it's a bloody affair. This life offers some big pills. We gotta choke them down. Nobody wants to be the bad guy. I know you don't. Neither do I. Everybody's gotta eat. And everybody's made of meat. Everybody's gotta eat. And everybody's made of meat. Now listen, we all meet that great buzzard in the sky, sailing through the mountains, watch him glide. Some of us look down on the world with eagle's eyes, and some of us scurry like mice and rabbits and try to hide. But one thing's for sure, this life of ours gets messy sometimes. Nobody wants to be the bad guy. I know you don't.